So our, our question says that the electrostatic force between the metal plates of an isolated parallel plate capacitor C having charge Q and area is. So we need to tell the electrostatic force and out of four options what on which it depends on. So we will write electric field of one plate capacitor. It can be written as root 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. Also, we can write it in the form of charge Q upon 2 A epsilon naught. Now, in terms of force on another plate due to the first plate is Q E, which is also Q square, which is also Q square upon 2 epsilon naught. So by this equation we can say that it is independent of distance between the plates. So our answer is this third option. Thank you.